Hello students, from today we are going to start with the new chapter functions. So definition, a function or mapping f from a set A to set B, which is denoted by this notation f from set A to set B, is a relation which associates for each element x in a unique, that means exactly one element y in B. Means a function f from a to b is said to be relation if for every element x from set A has a unique element y in B. Then the element y is expressed as y is equal to f of x. Y is the image of x under f. F is also called a map or transformation. If such a function exists, then A is called the domain of f and B is called the codomain of f. Now here we have one example. Suppose R1 is a relation from A to B. And here we have given two sets, set A and set B. In set A we have four elements A, B, C, D, and in set B also we have four elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we have given A is associated with 3, B is associates with 3, C is associates with 4, and D is associated with 2. Now here, according to definition, we can say that for each element x from set A, there exists a unique, means exactly one element y in B. Now since every element from A is associated to exactly one element in B, therefore R1 is a well-defined function. Now here once again I am repeating the same example. We have given a relation R1 from set A to set B. In set A we have 4 elements, in set B we have 4 elements. Now here the element A of set A is associated with 3, B is associated with 3, C is associated with 4 and D is associated with 2. Means every element of set A is associated with the unique element y of B. Means here we don't have any element, ऐसा कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है कि जो B के कौन से भी एलिमेंट से एसोसिएट नहीं है. हर एक एलिमेंट यहाँ का associated with the element y in B, and therefore we can say that R1 is a well-defined function. Now here we have second example. R2 is a relation from A to B. Here also we have given two sets A and B. In set A we have 4 elements. In set B also we have 4 elements. Now if we observe here, then A is associated with 1, B is associated with 2, C is associated with 2, but for D we don't have any element in B because D is not associated with any element of B, and here our definition does not get satisfied and therefore it's not a function. See here, reason is given, since element D in set A is not associated to any element of B, so R2 is not a function. Now further example, suppose we see next example number 3. Then here also we have given two elements, two sets A and B. Now here also we have 4 elements in set A and 5 elements in set B. See here I am writing this is set A and this is set B and this is relation suppose R3. Now if we observe, then A is associated with the two elements 1 and 2. B is associated with 3, C is associated with 4 and D is associated with 5. Now if we recall our definition, then definition is for every element x in A, there exists a unique element y in B. Now here for A, we don't have unique elements. Here we have given two elements associated with A, and therefore it's not a function. So here we have reason, since element A in A is associated to two elements in B, therefore R3 is not a function. Now here student may ask the question that for one element, suppose two images exist in B, then it's not a function. Then if for two elements we have one image, then it is a function. Then the answer will be yes. दो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट के लिए B में एक एसोसिएशन हो सकता है. फॉर टू डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स there can be only one image in the set B, but for one element of set A, there should not have two images in set B. And if such an example is given, then it's not a function. I hope now the idea will be clear to all. Now types of functions. First one, 1, or it is also called as injective function. Now definition, a function f from A to B is said to be 1 if different elements in A have different images in B. The condition is also expressed as f of A is equal to f of B implies A is equal to B. That means if A is not equal to B implies f of A is not equal to f of B. Now what is the actual meaning of 1 or injective function? That for every element of set A, there exists a unique element in set B. That is clear from definition of function. But here we have given 1 function, means for one element there has to be one image. Means for two different element we cannot consider only one image. एक element के लिए एक ही image होना चाहिए. And second is onto function, or it is also called as surjective function. Definition, a function f from A to B is said to be onto if every element y in B is an image of some x in A, or y in B has pre-image x in A. The image of A can be denoted by f of A. If we want to write this definition in notation format, then we can write like this: f of A is set of all y belongs to B such that y is equal to f of x for some x belongs to A. F of A is also called the range of f. Now here we have few examples so that the concept of 1 onto will be clear to you. So first example, example 1. Suppose f1 is a relation from A to B is given. Then in set A we have 4 elements, in set B we have 5 elements. Now we will see the associations. For A we have one image, for B we have one image, for C one image, and for D we have one image. Now according to the definition of function, for every element of set A, there has to be a unique image in set B or unique element y in B. So the definition gets satisfied. हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए यहाँ पे एक ही इमेज है. नाउ वी विल चेक फॉर 1 कि हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए एक ही इमेज होना चाहिए. सो येस, हियर फॉर one element we have one image. So we can say that f1 is a function f1 is a 1 function or injective function. Now we will check for onto. Now for onto, if we check, then here we have a element 5 for which here the pre-image does not exist. Means in set A we have no more elements such that the image of that element will be 5. So therefore it's not onto. So we can say that this is 1 function or injective function, but it's not an onto function. Now second, f2 is a relation from A to B. Here we have 4 elements in both the sets. Now first we check for function. For every element of A there exists unique element in B, so it's a function. Now we will check for 1 हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए एक ही इमेज है, yes, तो so it's a 1 function और इंजेक्टिव फंक्शन. नाउ वी विल चेक फॉर onto. B के हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए यहाँ पे प्री इमेज एग्जिस्ट होता है, yes, therefore it's an onto function. That means we can say that f2 is 1 or injective function as well as onto or a surjective function. Now example number 3. Suppose f3 is a function from f3 is a relation from A to B and A and B two sets are given. Now we will check for function. For every element in A there exists a unique image in B, so it's a function. Then हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए एक ही इमेज है, नो, बिकॉज यहाँ पे दो एलिमेंट के लिए एक इमेज एग्जिस्ट होता है, so we can say that it's not 1. Then we will check for onto. Here for all elements pre-images exist and therefore we can say that it's onto. Means f3 is a function which is not 1 but onto. Now f4 is a relation from A to B. Here if we check, then for every element of A there exists unique element in B, then no, because for two elements for every element of A there exists an image in B, but it's not 1 because for two elements we have one image and there exist two elements in B such that 1 and 5 for which pre-image does not exist in A, means it not onto. Therefore we can say that f4 is neither 1 nor onto function. In next lecture again we will continue with the same chapter. Thank you students.